Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you how to aim manually. In order to aim manually, press L2 button and now pass. You can aim manually by tilting the left controller.
My life was a highlight reel that keep on looping. You can't just tell me you gotta prove it. Stealing their first name is looping. I'm hitting harder than like you can. They sending shots but somehow I just juke it. Hitting my desk. I'm B.I.G. You know I can't forget that I do it. Shoot my shot like ayy. Hit the red dot like ayy. Finger on the like ayy. Shoot my shot like ayy. Hit the red dot like ayy. Your spot like ayy. I gotta get it, man. Shout out, I'm fully committed like ayy. I studied the target, I'm never gonna miss it. I call that precision like ayy. Shooting my shot like ayy. Hit the red dot like ayy. Finger on it like ayy.
So, press L2, pass, and tilt left button. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.